Hello everyone, welcome to Async Crypto. So in this video, we will be taking the price prediction of Bitcoin as well as Ethereum and some altcoins. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon. So as you can see, I am in 1 hour's time frame of Bitcoin, and a bullish crossover is happening on Bitcoin in 1 hour's time frame. That is, and a breakout of rising wedge. That rising wedge is generally a bearish pattern, but in some case scenario it breaks out also. Yeah, like in 90% of the time it's bearish and 10% time only it break out. Okay, so we are seeing a breakout of rising wedge as well as a bullish crossover here. So that might be a little bullish sign for Bitcoin if this happen and the breakout confirm. At least we will see a pump till 24,000. Okay, so that's the possible case scenario in 1 hour's time frame. And after this video get uploaded, maybe after 1 or 2 hours, the traditional market will be opening, and we need to see it very carefully because it has been pumping from a very long time. And if this closing is positive this week, then we will see a bullish pattern forming in Bitcoin. But there are few things to keep in mind before taking any trades in this scenario, because if you just switch the time frame to 1 week, you can see the general indicator of bear market bottom is 200 MA, and 200 MA, just let me change the size of this MA. So 200 MA is giving resistance to this candle. If this close above 200 MA as well as 24,200, I will not consider closing above 200 MA. I'll consider closing above 24,400 to give me a bullish scenario on Bitcoin. But generally, if 200 MA is breached and then it closed again above the 200 MA, it is considered as the bottom of Bitcoin. But I will consider it as bottom of Bitcoin if it close above 24,000. Then I'll place any trade of long in Bitcoin after it closed here. So if this close above 24 hours, I'll take a trade of long entry in Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. So I'll do let you know if I take any trade. I'll just post a video about it as soon as I take any trade. So do keep in mind, like Bitcoin bullish scenario is above this line. It need to close weekly. Remember guys, no, not 4 hours time frame or no 1 day time frame. It has to close above in a weekly time frame, then only Bitcoin will get bullish. Okay, so that's the price prediction of Bitcoin according to my TA. Do let me know in the comment section what are your opinion on Bitcoin. Are you bearish or bullish? So if we come to Ethereum, Ethereum is looking far more bullish than Bitcoin. Ethereum has just closed above its support level. This is the support level of Ethereum, and it has closed in 1 hour's time frame. So if the traditional market opens in bullish, I will personally be taking a long entry on Ethereum. My long entry will be like this, and my stop loss will be around 3%. Very short 1:2 long I'll be taking on maybe 3 or 4x, not more than that, because this trade is highly risky. Because traditional market, as you're seeing that opening in green, closing in red, or vice versa. So that's the scenario of because the market has no volume. You can see the manipulation volume comes time to time. You can see over here this candle. Just let me mark it. You can see over here this candle. If you guys can see my yellow line, this is the candle of manipulation. This is the candle of manipulation. This is the candle of manipulation. You can see there's a large wick in Ethereum. You can see around 4%. So this is the candle of manipulation. So be careful out there before placing any trade. These are my personal perspective. If this traditional market open and sustain maybe 3 to 4 hours, then I'll be taking any trade in Ethereum. Because Ethereum, there's a trade setup in Ethereum because it was a resistance over here and it's forming a support. If Ethereum forms a support over here and traditional market opens in green, this will be my stop loss and this will be my take profit around 1700, or maybe I'll just book a profit in halfway like this. So that's my trade setup for Ethereum if I'll be taking the trade. I'm not recommending you guys to take any trade because it's highly risky in this market. So that's why I'm not recommending you to take the trade. Okay. So now let's talk about Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance have been pumping a little bit, but it has not reached 45% or so, which that means the market has still no volume. And generally in low volume market, dumps come easily then pump. So there's a manipulative candle all over in the market, so be careful before taking any trade. As well as 28th of this month is very important because the GDP number will be announced, so keep an eye on that also. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.